Hello everyone, welcome to my project ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make an automated watering plant using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this we need one Arduino Uno, one LCD screen, one DC motor, four resistors, two LEDs, one potentiometer, one NPN transistor, one temperature sensor, one breadboard, and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So first of all, let us see how to connect this LCD screen. So we'll connect this ground pin of it to this GND pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect this power pin of it to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. We'll connect the contrast pin of it to this Viper pin of this potentiometer. Resistor select pin will be connected to this 2 number pin of this Arduino. After it, this read and write pin will be again connected to this GND pin of this Arduino. Enable pin will be connected to the 3 number pin of this Arduino. After it, DB4 to DB7 number pin of this LCD will be connected to 4 to 7 number pin of this Arduino respectively. After it, this LED anode will be connected to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino, and this LED cathode will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino through a resistor. In this way, LCD is connected. Now let us see how to connect this potentiometer. First one is the Viper pin that we have already connected to this LCD. Now the left are the two terminals of it. First we will be connecting to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino, and the second will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this DC motor. So we will connect the first terminal of it to this GND pin of this Arduino, and the second one of it to this emitter pin of this NPN transistor. After it, we will connect the base pin of it through this resistor to this 13 number pin of this Arduino, and the collector pin of it to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this temperature sensor. So it has also total 3 terminals. First is the GND that we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. Second one is the Vout pin that we will connect to this A0 number pin of this Arduino, and the third one is the VS that will connect to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this LEDs. So we will connect this cathode terminal of it to the GND pin of this Arduino through a resistor, and the anode will be connected to this 11 and 12 number of this Arduino respectively. So in this way our circuit is connected. Now let us see the code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have included one library for LCD. After it, we have initialized some pin numbers. First is the sensor pin number to A0, to which we have connected this temperature sensor in Arduino Uno. After it, variable motor to 13. This DC motor is connected to the 13 number pin of this Arduino. Then LED red and LED green to 12 and 11 respectively. After it, we have initialized one LCD named array to 2 to 7 number pin of this Arduino, to which this LCD is connected. After it, in this void setup function, we are beginning the serial connection with 9600 bits per second, and we are beginning the LCD. It has total 16 columns and 2 rows respectively. After it, using this LCD.print function, we are printing something inside the LCD, and using this set cursor function, we are setting the cursor of it. After it, we have configured the pin mode, motor LED red and LED green for the output purpose. This is the delay function that takes time in milliseconds, and over here 1500 millisecond equals to 1.5 seconds. This is the LCD.clear function which clears the LCD screen. Now in this void loop function, we are reading the value from this sensor and storing it in this value named variable. After it, we are calculating the temperature in degree centigrade and setting this cursor and printing the text accordingly. Now, if the temperature will be greater than 40 degrees centigrade, the motor will be on and the red LED will be turned on. And LCD will print that the water pump is in on position. And similarly, if it will be less than 40 degrees centigrade, Motor will not be turned on and the green LED will be high. So in this way it will be. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I'm clicking on Start Simulation. Automated watering plant. As you can see over here, temperature is 24.93 degrees centigrade and hence the water pump is in off position. Now I'm increasing the temperature. As you can see, now the temperature is 49.85 degrees centigrade. Hence the water pump is in on position, red light is on and the DC motor is rotating. So in this way our automated watering plant will work. Thank you.